My name is Shane Noble. I'm with Newwood Manufacturers. The company's been here since 1989, but I joined the company in 2003 and I've been here ever since. The main products that we provide is moldings. We started off as a molding shop, but then we moved into stairs. So stair parts, treads, handrails, spindles, different components. Our typical customer will be retail stores like Castle Building Supplies, Home Hardwares, Kent Building Supplies. But we also supply the stair builder industry as well, so that would be more people that are designing and building stairs, and also cabinet shops. The lean program from the plant perspective helped us to label different areas so that we were tracking our products when they were manufactured and put back in the place that they belong. So we have a better understanding of what our inventory was at different times.
So when I first started with Newwood, how we used to do our order to get to the guys in the back, it would come in via fax, email, or over the phone, and I would handwrite it out, and then I would type it into the system, into an Excel or Word program, and print out the form, and then hand deliver it out to the workshop and put it in a tray, and the guys would pick it up from there and do the order, and then bring it back to me. And from that, then I would have to enter it into the system and generate an invoice that used to get it ready for the truck's delivery. Since we had our new system, I enter it right into the system. It goes on the screen for the guys in the back, and they print it off their own self. Once they've completed their order, they can then go back to their screen and complete the ship quantity and put ready to ship, and then it automatically comes back to me. From there, then I can pick it up and generate the packing slip. Just a click of the button, just switch it to packing slip, and the packing slip prints out. So it saves hoodles and hoodles of time.
We implemented a new software system. Part of that software was digitizing all of our products. So every product that we have here has an image. We created a binder of all of our products that we produce, plus stuff that we import and resell. This binder gives us a much more professional look. It's also tagged to our website. So anything that's in our website is now also on our binder. And ultimately the website can be connected to the software. So it's all interconnected. But it gives us a much more professional experience. So when the consumer looks at what we have now, it's no different than what you would get from a mainland company coming in. So it was important for us to be competitive on that aspect as well.
So if I enter in one of our posts that the guys are not quite sure, because where some names have changed on a post. So if they're like the Craftsman post used to be called a modern. So if they're not used to it, they can click on view item and the Craftsman post will appear on the screen. Or any spindle, if they don't recognize what it is, they can just hit view item and the image will appear. Before they couldn't do that. Before they would have come in and asked me which one I was talking about or referring to.
I would recommend lean to another company. The big benefit I think is for most small companies with lean is understanding where your bottlenecks are, understanding how important work culture is with different people, and just organizing. Like if you're organized, it saves so much time, and that's dollars. So saving time is saving money. And saving money is making money. And that's the way we look at that.